ready?
Ready? So, wish me luck. Shoot, I know where they are. I see one of them. Where do you see him?
He's at the entrance. You. Ooh, he's shooting.
He's moving, he's moving.
How did you move in?
I followed him.
Gavin, we are so switching goggles.
Hey! He's in a horrible position right now. What? I think I hit him in the head. I think I hit him in the head. Tyler. Tyler. You got.
Gavin, we are switching goggles. This thing is fun.
You gotta hide.
No, this thing is fun. Gavin, you look so goofy. Get a clip of this. Get a clip of this.
That's what you look like, Tyler.
I know. We had a good spot until you came in and we started moving.
I saw Zach right away, because Zach was like,
Cause he's like, I think you must see. I was like, oh. Does it hurt?
no. Alright. Oh! Ow.
What?
You hit me in the shoulder and it hurt.
Ow. I was aiming down.